Good morning. Welcome to online tutorials of Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Today we will be discussing about the software quality in the software testing. So, what is software quality? There are some of the attributes which define the software quality, which define the quality of a software. So here we can see two types of quality attributes. One is a static quality attribute and the another one is dynamic quality attributes. So these are the two types of quality attributes we can see which define the software quality. So, what is a static quality attribute? So, static quality attributes in the sense it is related to the these attributes which are these are related to the code and the documentation of a software. So the code which is structured properly and which is maintainable and the code should be testable. So these are the attributes which are related to the code and the documentation, as I said. So with the code which is structured, maintainable and testable, and together with that related to the documentation there should be a correct and complete documentation. So the code should be structured, maintainable, and it should be testable, as well as the availability of the correct and complete documentation should be there. So here, what happens if the code is not structured properly, if the code is not documented properly, then we can say that the code is poorly documented code, and we can say that the code is poorly structured code. So what is poorly documented code in the sense? So if the code does not have the proper documentation, in the sense we can say such code has the poorly documented code. So what happens in this scenario? When the code is poorly documented, in the sense it is harder to understand. When it is harder to understand, then obviously it will be difficult to modify. Then if the code is poorly structured, then what happens? So when the code is not properly structured, in the sense it is harder to modify that code. If any modifications need to be done for that code in the future, in the sense, then it will be a harder to modify that code. And when it is harder to modify itself, then it is difficult to test also. So the code should be properly documented and it should be properly structured. Next we shall discuss about the dynamic quality attributes. So what are the attributes which are defining the dynamic quality of a software? That is software reliability, correctness, completeness, consistency, usability and performance. These are the six attributes which define the dynamic quality of a software. So what is software reliability? Reliability in the sense it is the probability of the failure free operation of a software. So it defines the probability. It is the probability of the failure free operation of a software. And the next attribute is correctness. Correctness, it is regarding the correct operation of an application. It refers the correct operation of an application, how the application is operating. So if the application is operating correctly, then we say that the software is having the correctness feature. That is, it refers to the correct operation of an application. Next attribute is completeness. Completeness in the sense it is defining the overall availability. In the sense that it should have all the features which are listed in the requirements or in the user manual. So according to the specification, what are the features that need to be exhibited by the software, so those features should be available there. So it defines the availability of all the features which are listed in the requirements or in the user manual. So if any of the features is not available as per the requirement, in the sense, then we say that it is an incomplete software. So an incomplete software, it is one that does not fully implement all the features required by the customer. The next attribute is consistency. Consistency, it refers to the adherence to a common set of conventions and the assumptions. So it is the software should have the common set of conventions and assumptions in it. For example, it is inconsistency in the sense. So, for example, for inconsistency, it would be when a database application displays the date of birth of a person in the database. For example, consider that in one software, in one of the module in that particular project or in the software, in one of the module, the date of birth of a person is displaying in one format, that is, let it be date, month and year. Then in the same software itself, in the another module, the date of birth of a person is displayed using a different format, let it be like a month, year and date. Then there is no consistency in the displaying of the date of birth of a person in the database. So this should not happen. So there should be a consistency in the software, that is, it refers to the adherence to a common set of conventions and the assumptions. The next attribute is the usability. Usability, it refers to the easy with which an application can be used. So this usability attribute, it is purely referring to the how easy the application to use by the customer or the end user. So this is an area itself where there exist different techniques to perform the usability testing. Next attribute is performance. Performance, it refers to the time the application takes to perform a requested task. If a task is requested by the customer, in the sense, if a customer wants to perform any task, when he requests for the task, the time the software takes, the time the application takes to perform that task, we call it as the performance. So that is related to the performance. Performance, it refers to the time the application takes to perform a requested task. So in the software quality, we can have the two types of attributes. One is the static quality attribute and the another one is dynamic quality attributes. Static quality attribute, it is purely related to the code and the documentation of the software and the code. So the code should be structured, maintainable and testable code, and there should be a availability of correct and the complete documentation. Whereas dynamic quality attribute, it is related to the reliability of a software, correctness of a software, completeness of a software, then consistency of a software, then usability and performance. Thank you.